ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. गीताभ्यासे 15-8 शरीरं यदवाप्नोति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः. पदच्छेदः. शरीरं यत् अवाप्नोति यच्चापि उत्क्रामति ईश्वरः. गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात्. पदच्छेदः. गृहीत्वा एतानि संयाति वायुः गन्धान् इव आशयात्. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषण. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्काः कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. ईश्वरः यत् शरीरम् अवाप्नोति यच्चापि उत्क्रामति वायुः गन्धान् आशयात् इव गृहीत्वा संयाति ईश्वरः एतानि गृहीत्वा संयाति. वाक्यांशः 1c is allegorical for Vakyamshaha 1d. So that is why Gruhitva Sanyati are repeated from in 1d from 1c. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यास. ईश्वरः यत् शरीरम् अवाप्नोति यच्चापि उत्क्रामति. ईश्वरः, ईश्वर विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम्. ईश्वर एडजेक्टिव. ईश्वरा और ईश्वरी फेमिनिन. ईश्वरच, दिस इज एज पर पाणिनि सूत्रम 3-2-175. वरच is the suffix pratyaya affixed to, yes, the dhatu ish. Ish, to command. Ishwarach, Ishwara, commandant, supreme commander. Powerful, able, capable of, with infinitive. Vasatim priyakaminam priyastvadrute prapayutam kaishwaraha. Rich, wealthy, Lord, Master, the Supreme God, Parameshwar. Isha evahamatyartham nachamam ishate pare dadami cha sadaishwaryam ishwaras tena kirtitaha. Oh, definition of Ishvara as given in Skanda Purana. Isha eva aham atyartham nachamam ishate pare dadami cha sadaishwaryam. Aishwaryam sada dadami. ईश्वरस्तेन कीर्तितः. ऐश्वर्यं ददामि इति ईश्वरः कीर्तितः. Also, ईश्वरस्तु पर्जन्यवत् द्रष्टव्यः. This is from Brahma Sutrani, Shankar Bhashya. Interesting. यत् सर्वनाम. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं. शरीरं, शरीर, बॉडी, नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनं. अवाप्नोति, अवाप् धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. अवाप् पंचमगणीयः उभयपदी. टू गेट, टू ऑब्टेन, सिक्योर, गेन. तमवाप्य सप्ततिम. दीर्घमायु रवाप्नुयात्. मनुस्मृति. कीर्तिं फलं कामम् एटसेट्रा. पुत्रं साम्राज्यमवाप्नुहि. नैवं पापं वाप्स्यसि. This is from Bhagavad Gita 2.38, also in 2.53. Cha avyayam, and api avyayam also. Utkramati, utkram dhatoho lati prathamapurushah ekvachanam. Utkram prathamaganiyah ubhayapadi, chaturthaganiyah parasmapadi. To go up, step up, ascend. Utkramantam chitam vapi. Oh, this is repeating in 15.10 also. We have it here, Utkramati, in 15-8. To pass away, Utkramati. Okay. Vayu आशयात गंधान गृहीत्वा संयाति इव. वायु, वायु, wind, पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. आशया, आशय, container, the flower, पुल्लिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम. Or not only flower but any container of gandha. Here आशया गंधान, गंध, scent, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम. गृहीत्वा, ग्रह धातोः क्त्वान्तं. प्रह, ग्रह, ग्रहं उपादाने. टू टेक, टू एक्सेप्ट, टू ऑब्टेन. क्रियादिः नवमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. संयाति, संया धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. संया द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू गो और प्रोसीड टुगेदर. यथा प्रयान्ति संयान्ति स्रोतो वेगेन वालुकाः. चालुका वालुकाः. दिस इज फ्रॉम भागवतम. टू गो अवे, डिपार्ट, walk away. गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति. 15-8. Same shloka has been quoted. Iva, avyayam, same as. ईश्वरः एतानि गृहीत्वा संयाति. एतानि, एतत् सर्वनाम. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनम्. अन्वयार्थः, ओवरऑल मीनिंग. ईश्वरः यत् शरीरम् अवाप्नोति यच्चापि उत्क्रामति. Whatsoever body he attains to, and also from whatsoever he goes up. Vayu ashayat gandhan gurhitva sanyati. Just as the wind takes odors from their container, Ishvara etani gurhitva sanyati. The Lord proceeds taking them with him. छंदो विशेषण. शरीरं यदवाप्नोति अष्टक्षाणि. दवाप्नो एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. यच्चाप्युत्क्रामति ईश्वरः अष्टक्षाणि. मतीश्व एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति अष्टक्षाणि. निसंया एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. वायुर्गन्धा निवाशयात् अष्टक्षाणि. निवाश एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अस्मिन् पंचदशाध्याये अष्टमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः. स्वाध्याय, notes of self study. The pronoun etani stands for prakritisthani manashasthani indriyani in the previous shloka. This shloka underlines how Ishvara ends his bodily existence or manifestation. He sanyati, passes away, gruhitva, carrying along, etani, that is prakritisthani manashasthani indriyani. So no indriyani, organs, are left behind for people to wail upon. Thinking of the allegory of wind carrying away the scents of flowers, vis-a-vis Ishvara carrying indriyani, it comes to mind that by commonplace understanding, organs are material. What does the wind really carry when it carries away the scents of flowers? Does it carry any material substance? What honeybees carry is certainly a material substance. But does the wind carry material substance? Even when we smell any smell, do we inhale any material substance? An answer on the internet affirms that there is transportation of material substance, though in molecular form. By that, the allegory of wind carrying away the scents of flowers and Ishvara carrying away indriyani is a fitting allegory. Also because both carriages are in molecular form. Comes to mind that Prabhu Sri Ram left this world by immersing himself into the waters of Sharyu. Did Prabhu Sri Ram not know swimming? but he dived not to return, not even a modicum of his body to return. Usually, bodies of people who get drowned come up floating. There is no such mention about Prabhu Sri Ram. I would take it that when Prabhu Sri Ram dived into the waters of Sharyu, all of it became the Jalatattvam. Not only Ishvara, but even accomplished saints are said to have carried away Indriyani. As per a popular anecdote, Sant Tukaram had Sadeha Vaikuntha Gamanam. The Lord sent his Pushpaka Viman to carry him to Vaikuntha. People had been curious whether anything is left of the body of Sant Jnaneshwar after his Sanjivana Samadhi at the very young age of 21. Not only Jnaneshwar, Nivruttinath, Sopandev, Muktabai, they all took Samadhi and vanished. May I repeat my note about Shloka 15-4? Marathi poet Gadi Madurkar, penned an inspired song about Sant Jnaneshwar, saying, Ujedi rahile, ujeda hona. The sacred soul became radiance and stayed in the radiance. Comes to mind an American Star Wars serial telecast on TV in India in late 70s. Therein, the captain and his deputy would transport themselves by transforming themselves, that is matter, into energy and vice versa. Dr. P.V. Vartak, 1933 to 2019, visited Mars by Sukshmadeha Siddhi before an American spaceship orbited. He enlisted 21 points observed. 20 points were immediately confirmed by the American voyage, and the 21st was also confirmed in the next voyage. Dr. Vartak's Sukshmadeha Siddhi would sound mythical, but his observations were confirmed. Actually, the scriptures mention that entities in the living world had three levels of bodily existence. Dehatrayam, Sthula Deha, Sukshma Deha, Karana Deha. The Supreme is said to be Dehatrayatita, transcending these. I do not know whether Dr. Vartaka's Siddhi is to be regarded as Sukshma Deha Siddhi or Karana Deha Siddhi. But anyway, that is something like tooth picking. Why should we worry? A mute question also is, why should Ishvara end his bodily existence or manifestation Indriyani Gruhitva, carrying the organs away, whether as matter or energy? It appears to be more logical to interpret Sanyati to mean dissolves. The Indriyani are drawn, karshati, from nature, prakritisthani. So they are dissolved back, sanyati, into nature, prakrityam, just as Prabhu Sri Ram dissolved himself into the waters of Sharayu, the Jalatattvam, or the sacred soul of Sant Jnaneshwar became radiance and stayed in the radiance. Ujedi rahile, ujeda phone. This study is for studying Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padachhedaha, Vakyamshashaha Vishleshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayarthaha and Swadhyaya, that is, notes of self-study. The text can be downloaded, can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.